Hey guys, it's Ashley. Welcome back to my channel, and for those of you that are new, welcome. Today I'm going to be showing you how to look more refreshed and more awake using some products from IT Cosmetics. Please note this video is in partnership with makeup.com. It is a L'Oreal powered brand. If you are interested in seeing what I like to do to look more awake and more refreshed and polished, keep on watching. Alright guys, so on the road to looking more awake, you want to make sure that you are moisturizing your skin. And today I'm going to be using the Kiehl's Ultra Facial Cream. It has a SPF of 30, which is extremely important, especially if you are going to be outside for any duration of the day. This is a consistency that I'm more likely to use at night. But since I am experiencing some dryness, I'm going to use it a little bit in like the innermost area of my face, if that makes sense, especially around my nose area, which is where I've been experiencing the most dryness. So I'm just going to apply here around my mouth, chin, a little here, and to my neck as well. And anytime you are using an SPF product, you want to make sure that any product that you are using to moisturize your face, you always want to bring it down on your neck. Alright, so now that we are done there, I'm going to move on and I'm going to apply my tinted moisturizer. I'm going to be using the Bye Bye Foundation Full Coverage Moisturizer from IT Cosmetics. It does have an SPF of 50, so we are going to be very protected today. Now I do have two shades. I have neutral tan and I have medium. So I'm actually going to swatch these so we can see what they look like and to see which color is going to be a better fit. So one thing that I do like about these is that they do come in a pump. So you're able to just pump out the amount of product that you need and you're good to go. So the first one is neutral tan. And I don't know if you guys can see it, but I can definitely see it here. So I'm just going to swatch that so you can get a better glimpse of what it looks like. Right? And the next shade is going to be medium. So I'm going to take that, do the same thing, pump it out onto the back of my hand, and then I'm just going to swatch that a little bit so you can see what it looks like. Right? So from the two colors, it looks like neutral tan is going to be the better pick. I feel like medium is a little too light for me, so I'm going to take neutral tan. I'm just going to pump it out on the back of my hand, and then I'm going to apply it with a beauty blender. And this is supposed to be a full coverage moisturizer. And then I'm going to take a beauty blender, a damp beauty blender, and just blend that out. Now I have blended most of the product out, and looking at it now, I still feel like it's a little too light for my skin tone. It does look very pale on camera in my opinion, but I am going to fix it a little later using just some bronzer, which I feel will really warm up my skin and make this a little more wearable in my opinion. Now I'm going to use the IT Cosmetics Bye Bye Under Eye. It's a full coverage anti-aging waterproof concealer. So the shade that I have is tan. So this is what it looks like. You guys can see it. And I feel like this looks a little bit neutral, maybe on the pinkier side. And it does have a like jelly, like bouncy like consistency. So I'm excited to see what this is going to look like. So I'm just going to apply it under my eye area. And you want to be very gentle when you're applying anything in this area, because your eye area, the skin is very delicate. So I'm just going to take the pointed part of my beauty blender and I'm just going to blend that out a little bit. Alright, so this is what it looks like when I did that first layer of product. And I feel that it looks very nice. It looks very nice. And I do look a little more awake, I would say, because I did cover up the dark area under my eye. So I'm just going to take a little more product and apply that to the inner area here. And I definitely feel that using concealer is a great way to make you look a little more awake and a little more refreshed. So I am going to use a little bit of the IT Cosmetics Bye Bye Pores Pressed Powder just to set under my eye a little bit, because I don't want that concealer to move at any point during the day. I'm just going to press that into the skin. Under my eye area here and a little bit in the center of my forehead, just to get rid of a little bit of that shine. So now that we are done here, I feel like this looks very polished. So next, to look a little more awake, I'm going to take a nude, colored pencil, and I'm just going to line my lower waterline. You want to get as tight to your line as possible. And what this does is it makes the eyes look a little brighter, So now that I've lined my waterline, I'm going to take my mascara, and I'm going to be using the Superhero Mascara in Super Black. So my lashes are going to be really long, really separated, and very, very dark. This wand is just amazing. Because I feel like it makes a very big difference, and it really gets in between your lashes. But this is the look that I chose to complete with a clear gloss. I feel like it's very simple. Like I said, I look a lot more refreshed. I look more polished. I look awake. My eyes look more open and brighter, and I am ready to take on the day. So I hope you all enjoyed this quick tutorial. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you next time.